Businesswoman, none can see the ancient fire beneath your decree. You make no boast, you bear no shame. You are the quiet shaping name. She moves through towers trimmed in glass, a shadow traced where futures pass. Her footsteps echo deals not named. Her silence hungers but is never tamed. She's not the storm, she's the weathered mind, a calculus the stars can't find. Her gaze is frost, her words are steel, yet every glance begins to feel. Businesswoman, bearer of codes, walking the margins where no one goes. She trades in moments, not in gold, the kind of truth that can't be sold. Businesswoman dressed in light, measured, calm, and fierce in sight. She counts the days that never came and burns her doubts without a flame. Not cold, not cruel, she's carved in time, a myth that walks a modern line. Not for the throne, nor for acclaim, she moves beneath the surface game. Businesswoman, none can see the ancient fire beneath your decree. You make no boast, you bear no shame. You are the quiet